In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache with Firefox. This process will help improve your browsing speed and free up space on your device. Let's dive right in. First, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your Firefox browser. This button is essential for accessing various options within Firefox. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing several options. This is your gateway to navigating through Firefox's features. Knowing how to access this menu is crucial as it lays the foundation for all the tasks you will perform in the browser. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. When you click on Settings, you will be taken to the Firefox Settings page. This page is where you can customize your browser according to your preferences. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it contains many settings that can enhance your browsing experience. You'll notice various sections dedicated to privacy, security, and more. Once you are in the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This section is vital because it includes options related to your data and how Firefox handles it. In today's digital world, keeping your information secure is essential. By navigating to this area, you can adjust settings that protect your privacy while browsing. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. This section is where you will manage data stored by websites. Here you can see how much data is being used and decide what to clear. Understanding this part of the settings is important because it directly impacts your browser's performance and the amount of space it uses. Now, click on Clear Data. This action opens a dialog box where you can specify what you'd like to clear. It's a straightforward step, but it's crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your browser. You will be able to see the options available to you, making it easy to choose the right one for your needs. Next, check the box next to Temporary Cached Files and Pages. This selection is important because cached files can slow down your browser over time. By clearing these files, you help Firefox run more smoothly. It's a small step, but it can lead to a noticeable improvement in your browsing experience. Click Clear to complete this action. After this step, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the cache has been cleared. This confirmation is reassuring, as it shows that your changes have successfully been made. It also ensures that you can start fresh, free from unnecessary cached data. For a quicker method, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut brings up the Clear Recent History dialog box. It's an efficient way to access cache clearing options without navigating through the menu. Learning these shortcuts can save you time and streamline your workflow. Set When to everything in the dialog box that appears. This setting ensures that all cached files from the beginning of your browsing history will be cleared. Choosing this option is beneficial because it provides a complete reset of your cache, optimizing your browser's performance from the start. Make sure Temporary Cached Files and Pages is selected in this dialog box. This step is crucial for targeting the specific type of data you want to clear. By focusing on cached files, you help improve loading speeds for websites, making your browsing experience more efficient. Finally, click Clear to finalize the process. After clicking this, you should see a confirmation that your cache has been cleared. This step is satisfying as it means you have successfully removed unwanted data and are ready to enjoy a faster browsing experience. If you want Firefox to clear the cache automatically every time you close the browser, go back to Settings and select Privacy and Security again. This option is a great way to ensure that your cache is regularly managed without needing to do it manually. It's a convenient feature that can save you time in the long run. Scroll to the History section in the Privacy and Security settings. This area allows you to manage how Firefox handles your browsing history and cache. Knowing how to adjust these settings is important for keeping your browser running smoothly and efficiently. Set Firefox Will to use custom settings for history. This setting gives you more control over your browsing data. It's essential to customize these preferences because it allows you to enhance your privacy and manage your data as you see fit. Check Clear History when Firefox closes. This option ensures that your cached files will be removed automatically every time you exit the browser. This small action can lead to a significant improvement in your browser's performance over time. Finally, click Settings and select Temporary Cached Files and Pages in the settings that appear. This final step completes the setup, ensuring that temporary files are cleared each time you close Firefox. With these settings in place, you can browse with confidence, knowing your cache is being managed efficiently.